Hello everyone, my name is Sean and today I'm here to talk about insects. So let's start. Insects have compound eyes, for exact. Our eyes has a lens in each eye. But an insect's eye has lots of eyes. Like my own eyes have its own lenses connected to these lenses from the glasses. So like they're compound eyes, but only I can see better in these. Anyways, to be an insect, you have to have compound eyes. A head, duh. A thorax, and also an abdomen. Here, actually. Now that is funny. So like this thing, that would be like this. If you're a scientist to keep track of how long the life cycle goes, you need this timer. I'd say it's about 10 days. Is it possible? Well, maybe it's not. So here's an experiment you can try to get the whole number of the day. You know that every day has 24 hours. So try to get this number into 24 hours. Much more like it. This has only 5 hours. But also these are just like these, so keep track of this. Get some fruit into some kind of cup, kind of like this, but not like this. Into a plastic jar, much more like it. Then in a few days, fruit flies will come into wrap the jar lid up with some paper towels with a rubber band to get it around. Then wait for a few days and see these flies for every day until they change into an adult, which is kind of like a butterfly, but much more like it now. Like fruit flies actually. So this is what you do for the next few days. Just watch until it turns into an adult, and then put it out the window, and then pop the lid open, and then get it into the house quickly before any of the fruit flies attack you. Anyways, you will also have a so anyways. A fly or any other insect has compound eyes. So they will have something like they see something like a blurry image, like I should be blurry right now. So like I should be blurry. Well, when I take off these glasses, everything that is far away looks blurry to me. Take a look in these glasses. You may see that the lens makes your eyes a little more comfortable. Well, if you're wearing glasses now and watching this video, you might even have a compound eye. But much more like it now, if you aren't wearing glasses to watch this video. Insects are also very cool. If you want to go insect hunting, get something hard like a pencil, but a lot more longer. anything and tape a plastic bag onto it and the other side open so you can catch things and put it in the. Well, I do have an insect catching net, but I don't think I use it now because I never use it. Well, I did once, but it didn't work. Was that me? Okay then. Okay. Insects do not fart. They do not fart. Like we humans, they do not fart or I'll poke you in the eye. Or for whatever. So, let's say you were an insect catcher. Try to catch a bee. You got it. And then put the lid on very quickly before the bee escapes or stings you. Then keep it in there forever until it dies. So this is like we are here. But everybody is scared of insects. There's one reason. People think that they drink human blood. Only mosquitoes drink human blood. And also vampire bats drink blood, but not actually our blood. But they're actually mammals. And also they can destroy our plants and our food and our stored food. Well, actually they do eat other insects. Well, actually reptiles do eat other insects for good. That's why most people, even the people here that I'm living now, are trying to catch up reptiles, but there are lizards more likely here in the Philippines, so they're trying to catch lizards here. And the people of the house. Much more like it. So also every insect in the whole world, insects evolved more than 100 years ago before the dinosaurs. Now that is way back in time. Now that is super way back in time. Way back in time. Way back in time. And that is too long ago. Well, in a theory of how the dinosaurs died, they said that they said mosquitoes, which are insects, drank the human blood, drank the dinosaur blood, and gave diseases into it. And then the disease was so harmful that it killed the dinosaur's body. Much more like that. Even so, it's better than drinking poison, actually, to die. It's better than drinking poison to die, actually. Good water. So you would like to have some kind of water in it, do you? Well, if you drink poison, well, this is it. The moment you have been waiting for. The agency of it for Harvard University is that insects are also good. You don't believe me? Well, I'll show ya. Insects can be harmful, but they also break down the soil. Break down soil. Let's say this is soil. Actually, it's actually water. And let's say this is wood. Well, it is actually wood, actually. And when insects eat it, they turn to soil. Like this kind of color, reddish color. That's moist soil for you. Without insects, there will be almost no oxygen and also no plants on the earth. One day, we might even give our whole life into our own insect world, and one day we might even try to help them by adding new chemicals, trying to get some new experiments to try to help these insects. Boom! Scared ya? And also, we might even give our whole love to these insects. So this is the end, and I'll see you next time in the next Bill Nye the Science Guy video show. Bye! Shen Nai, actually Shen Han, is out of here.